Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in this video, I am going to talk about what are you doing right now? It's almost the end of the year. We're looking at, in a couple of months, we're at the end of the year, depending on when you're watching this video, but regardless, you need to get busy. That's right. What are you doing right now to bring traffic to your business? Are you doing any walkthroughs? Are you getting phone calls? Are you getting, requests for quotes? If you're not getting any of those, then you basically have a hobby. And that's not why you started a business. You started a business to make sure that most of you are looking at leaving your 9 to 5. So the first thing you need to make sure you do is have a website. You cannot do business in today's atmosphere when it comes to making sure that you bring traffic to you in this type of atmosphere as far as with everything being digital. You absolutely have to make sure that you have a website. The second thing is do something to bring them to your website. Then once they get there, you want to make sure you know how to do your walkthrough, and you want to make sure you're able to get them to sign the contract and be able to keep your customers. Well, I always talk about the 3 pillars. There's 3 things: how to make sure you absolutely attract your customers, how to acquire them, and how to retain them. If you'd like to learn more, then make sure you attend my free master call called Start and Scale. I'd love to see you there. Make sure you sign up to register for the free masterclass called Start and Scale, how to actually build a 6-figure cleaning business. Yay! So if you've never attended, make sure you're there. Bring pen, paper, and pencil. If you've been there, I change and update it all the time. So if you haven't been in a while, make sure you join, register, and space is limited, so make sure you register now. Until next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.